So now that we've got our inferior planet gear assembly done, we're going to start thinking about the superior planet gear assembly, which mounts on this superior planet plate, which is the other half of these shafts. You're going to grab them and you're going to take them out of the packing and make sure that they are nice and fit on each other and spin. You may need to take and get some of the artifacts out of the inside of them. The way I do that is I just rub them against each other like that a few times to make sure that it's got all the little nubs cleaned off. You can see the little nubs coming off on the table, little pieces of extra 3D print, and you just run them like that a time or two to make sure that it's all off. The outside of it actually has got kind of a ridgy texture that works well for doing that. We're then going to take and put our gears on it. This gear already has the shoulder built into it, so we're just going to put our 57 tooth Saturn gear on it like that, and then we're going to put a spacer to hold our gears apart a little bit, and then we're going to put a 76 tooth Jupiter gear on like that, and then a spacer, and then the bearing. There's two bearings. One of them's a little thicker than the other. You'll want to give them a feel in the superior planet plate, and you want it to be loose, but not that loose, so we'll use the little bit thicker one on this one. And we'll put the little bearing on it. This allows all this assembly to turn independently of the plate on that little bearing. And of course we'll also have another spacer to hold the superior planet plate off of the front plate.